Hey traders, how I day trade. In this video I will share with you 4 my day trading sessions with my students. I will show you how I spot trading opportunities, I will show you how I manage my trades. It will be a very useful lesson for you if you're learning how to day trade, if you're learning technical analysis and price action. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. As you remember, traders, yesterday on a live stream we discussed silver, and on yesterday's live stream we spotted together this major strong zone of supply. Yeah, we were monitoring that zone carefully, and approaching that structure, you can see that the market, the price formed a very peculiar doji candle on that structure. After the touch of that structure, the market, the daily candle closed where it opened. And as we know, a doji candle being formed on a key level is a very important bearish clue. Yeah, so then I was monitoring lower time frames and I was looking for a confirmation to short silver. On 4 hour for now I see nothing, but on an hourly time frame I spotted multiple confirmations. First of all, analyzing the highs and lows on silver, I spotted a rising wedge pattern. Yeah, you can see it right here. We have a very acute rising wedge, and once the price reached our daily supply area, the price broke the support of the wedge to the downside. We closed below that. Now analyzing the price action within the wedge. What I spotted right here, traders, I spotted right here a descending triangle. Yeah, do you see this pattern right here? Here is our triangle. You can see that here the price was setting low highs, equal lows, and then the price managed to break the neckline of this triangle to the downside. So what I did, I decided to short silver on a retest of a broken neckline. I shorted from here. My stop loss is lying above the highs of the triangle. And for now, my initial target is that support. Yes, here is my first target for that trade. My break-even point is a bit higher. My break-even point is based on this candle close right here. So once the price reaches that level, I will move my stop to entry and make my position risk-free. And you can see that at the moment the position is in a drawdown. You can see that we have right here around 65% position drawdown, and for now silver is going higher. So of course from a current perspective I wouldn't short silver. Yeah, so if you are still not in, from such a perspective it looks very scary to short, but I will keep holding. By the way, I also have a second target for that trade. Let's open a 4 hour. Our second target will be the next strong structure. Our next strong structure is right here. Yes, very peculiar structure shelf right here. So our target will be simply its upper boundary. Yeah, so let's measure our risk to reward. Yeah, let's take a look. Here it goes. Yeah, so that is our trade on silver. And yeah, you can see that while I'm talking, the market goes even higher. I guess now we have even 70% position drawdown. But fingers crossed, it is the top-down trading stuff. So probabilities should be on our side. So let's see. Let's see what will happen. Now, about dollar yen, as I told you, I also bought dollar yen pair. Let me show you what was the reason why I bought dollar yen. So on a dollar yen pair, let me open a daily time frame first. You can see that we have a very strong bearish rally on dollar yen pair, and reaching that structure high, the market started to retrace. In retracing, at the moment the pair is approaching this very strong demand cluster. Yeah, we have a very strong horizontal structure right here that the market is approaching right now. And definitely from that structure, we may expect a trend following move. Do not forget that dollar yen pair is trading in a sharp bullish trend on it daily. Yes, the pair is sharply bullish, so we may catch a trend following move from that. Now about the confirmations. Let's take a look what is up on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that after the steady bearish movement, once the structure was reached, we finally formed the first bullish candle. You can see how many red candles we had in a row on dollar yen, and once that support was reached, we finally formed a bullish candle. And then opening an hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, first of all, I spotted bullish breakout of that falling wedge pattern. Yes, you can see it right here in dollar yen. We have a falling wedge pattern. And then analyzing the price action within the boundaries of the wedge pattern, I spotted right here, traders, a double bottom formation. Yeah, cute, tiny, little double bottom. Yes, here is our first bottom. Here is our second bottom. And you can see that the price broke its neckline this morning. We closed above its neckline, and now we see its retest. On the retest, I opened a long position, and my stop loss is lying below the lows of the pattern. Where is my initial target for that trade? My initial target for that trade is the closest strong structure. And the closest strong structure that I spotted is right here. Yeah, we have some peculiar structure shelf right here, so I assume that there might be our initial target for the trade. By the way, we should also take into consideration, yeah, I guess our initial target is a bit lower. It is lying right here. Yeah, we also have some strong intraday structure resistance right here. So here is our initial target. Break-even point is lying a bit lower. Break-even point is based on that minor structure. Once this structure is reached, we will move our stop to entry and we will make our position risk-free. And as I told you, traders, it is the trend following trade. So we are not obliged right here to have the fixed second target. What I would suggest is applying a trailing stop then. Yeah, once our first target is reached, we will try to apply a trailing stop and we will try to catch a big winner trade. You can see that we have multiple resistances right here lying very close to each other. We have resistance right here, we have strong resistance right here. So we will just monitor the reaction of the price to these resistances. Yes, and its breakout of the resistance will once we see the breakout of one of these resistances, we will just simply trigger our stop loss. Yeah, so let's see what will happen right here. To me, this trading setup looks very promising. Yeah, we have a strong bullish trend on a daily. We have a strong daily structure support from where we're buying, and we have multiple confirmations. We have a bullish breakout of the wedges resistance, and we have a bullish breakout of the neckline of a double bottom within the wedge. So let's see, fingers are crossed. Now about your questions. So let's warm up with the dollar yen pair. As you remember, traders, yesterday we took a long position on a dollar yen pair. We spotted together a key level, we spotted together a key structure support from where we decided to buy, from where we opened a long position. Yes, we spotted a very nice confirmation right here with the bullish breakout of the wedges resistance, with the bullish breakout of the neckline of a double bottom formation. We got two very nice confirmations, and we bought the pair on a retest of a broken neckline of a double bottom, and then the market bounced quite quickly and our initial target was reached and the market went much higher. And as I told you, traders, in such situation we will apply a trailing stop and we will try to catch bullish moves to higher structure levels. So for now, I closed 50% of profits and I adjusted my stop loss. Now my stop loss is lying below that high level right here. So I want you to do the same thing. If you are in the trade, take your stop loss and move it to that level. Yes, and let's hope that the pair will manage to go higher. The updates for dollar yen pair will be given again tomorrow on tomorrow's live stream. So let's hope that dollar yen pair will go higher to higher structure levels. Now, update for silver. As you remember, traders, we decided to short silver yesterday. And by the way, do you remember how scary our trading position was? As you remember, yesterday we got almost 80% position drawdown, right? We were almost stopped out. But once the price retested current local highs, the market dropped nicely and the market reached the first target. Yes, first target is reached already, and now our stop loss also is moved to entry. And moreover, you can see that we have an attempt of the price to go lower. If we set an equal level right here or even a level level, we will move our stop based on that level high. Yes, and our stop loss will be trailed and we will set it above the last level high level. So two very nice winners already. Yeah, congratulations traders. And if you I wanted to start our today's live stream, traders, with the dollar yen pair. As you remember, traders, we have an active long position on a dollar yen pair. And as you remember what we did yesterday, we trailed our stop loss on dollar yen pair. And you can see that now the price set a new high level again. You can see that after our yesterday's live stream, dollar yen bounced nicely to the next key resistance. And what I did, I trailed my stop again. You can see that my stop loss is lying right now below the last high level right here. So we already protect our gains, and you can see that already right here we have a very nice booked profit. And it turned out, traders, that by the way, let's open a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, the market is currently approaching a key level. Yes, we have a very strong resistance right here that the market is approaching right now. And you know, we may short that structure. So at the moment, I'm waiting for a continuation to short. How exactly we will short? You can see that on the 4-hour time frame here, we have a perfect foundation for a double top, right? You can see that right here. We have a very nice potential double top, and here is its neckline. So if the price will break and close below the neckline of this potential double top, first of all, we will close our long trade, and moreover, we will set our sell limit order on a retest of a broken neckline, right? And here will be our trade. Sorry, no, wrong instrument. Here will be our trade shorting the retest of a broken neckline, setting our stop loss above the highs of the pattern. We will expect a bearish movement, I assume, all the way down to current support. Also, we will, I guess, let's make it a bit higher. Let's make it a bit higher, around 131. Yeah, I guess it will be one target trade most likely, and let's add into the equation the break-even point. Our break-even point will be that structure. Once that structure is reached, we will move our stop to entry and we will make our position risk-free. Yeah, so you can see that dollar yen may retrace from a key level, and we will try to catch this retracement. But if the price breaks current highs to the upside, we'll keep trailing our stop, yes, expecting a further bullish continuation. We already booked here a nice profit, and we are hoping that the market will go higher. Let me know if everything is clear in my analysis on dollar yen. Let me know if you have any questions. Now, let's briefly take a look at silver. As you remember, traders, we shorted silver together. Yeah, we opened a short position on silver. And what we did on silver, we trailed our stop loss as well. Yes, as you remember, our stop loss right now is lying above the last level high right here. So you can see that at the moment the market is closer and closer to our stop loss. And if the market reaches that level, what we will do, we will simply close our trading position. Yes, so still there are high chances that silver will start falling soon. By the way, I even think that it will be reasonable to keep our stop loss just on the break-even level. Yeah, so keeping it there will increase the chances that we will manage to catch bearish continuation to the second target. As you remember, traders, on silver we shorted the market earlier, and yesterday we decided to move our stop to a break-even point. And you can see that with this candle, we were stopped out from the trade. So rocket, for us, this trade is already closed. We booked quite nice profit right here, and now the trade is already closed. And what I would monitor on silver from a current perspective, let's take away all these drawings and let me show you what I see right here. As you can see, rocket here, we are respecting that trend line. And I assume the next strong bearish movement will initiate on silver after a breakout of the trend line to the downside. So watch carefully the reaction of the price to that. I assume that its bearish breakout will push the market lower. So silver still looks bearish to me, even though we see this local bullish continuation, minor bullish trend on silver. I truly believe that soon the market will drop. So monitor the reaction of the price to that trend line. Now, I wanted to discuss with you dollar yen pair. As you remember, traders, on the dollar yen pair we got a long position and we trailed our stop loss. Yes, what we did together, we trailed our stop loss. Yesterday our stop loss was moved to that point. Yes, our stop loss was moved to that point, and you can see that the price successfully formed a double top right here and broke its neckline, stopping us out from the trade. So we got a very nice winner right here on a dollar yen pair. And currently, this morning I also decided to short. Even though you can see that yesterday we were planning our entry from higher structure level, I decided to short this morning. So I already have an active short trade. From that exact level I decided to short, and I decided to little bit adjust the take profit level for that trade. So my take profit level will be 131 level. And here break-even point stays the same. So that is what I see right here. Once the price reaches that minor 4-hour support, I will move my stop to entry and will make my position risk-free. Yes, and let's see. So I'm really happy that we managed to catch such a nice winner here on dollar yen. Let's measure how many pips we made right here. So buying from here, we made 237 pips, risking just 59 pips. Very nice winner. Let's hope that the price will drop from that broken horizontal neckline and we will catch a winning streak on a dollar yen pair. Right traders, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and this video was quite long, so let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed such a format, and let me know if you want to see more videos like that. Also traders, if you have any questions, remember that on YouTube we have a comment section where you can ask me questions. I always reply. Also traders, if you want to learn trading, if you want to join my day trading sessions, I want to invite you in my premium educational group, the link in the description below. Also traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.